Okay, children. So next question, children. Next is continuation practice. Okay. So we were practicing 10th class series systems. The next question, children. The third question I have to do today. Two tangents P and PB are drawn from external point P. Children, two tangents are drawn, children. PA and PB. This is center of the circle. Okay, children. What is it? We have to prove that AOBP is a quadrilateral. AOBP is a cyclic quadrilateral. Required to prove is we have to prove that APBO is cyclic quadrilateral. What is the condition for cyclic quadrilateral, children?
Opposite angles are supplementary.
Opposite angles should be supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. We know angle A and angle B are 90 degrees automatically. Angle A and angle B are 90 degrees. Why, children? Radius is?
Is perpendicular to the tangent.
Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Always radius is perpendicular to tangent. We know that condition. We need not to prove it separately. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. Radius is perpendicular to tangent. So this both is one. Angle O plus 180 plus P is equal to 360 because quadrilateral. So angle O plus angle P is equal to 180. If opposite angles are supplementary, then this is a cyclic quadrilateral. We prove that this plus this is 180. We prove that this plus this is 180. So opposite angles are 180. Opposite angles are 180. Opposite angles are 180. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Already this also 180. But like that also we can say it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. And from distance of 7 centimeters from the outside. From outside 7 centimeters, draw tangents. How you draw it? First we will locate the midpoint. First you locate the midpoint. How you locate the midpoint? By drawing perpendicular bisectors. Bisectors, you locate the midpoint. From the midpoint with this radius or this radius, you draw a circle. After drawing from here, you join this. From here, you join this and measure this point, children. PA, PB. Measure PA and PB will be equal because tangents meeting at a point are equal. Tangents meeting at a point are equal. 25th question. Children, they said that phi tan theta is equal to 4. What is find phi sin theta minus 4 cos theta by phi sin theta plus 4 cos theta? They have asked you to. Okay, children. So tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 5. Children, this is 4, this is 5. Opposite. What is Pythagoras theorem, children? X square is equal to 4 square plus 5 square. X square is equal to 60 plus 25. X square is equal to 41. X is equal to root of 41. Children, are you able to hear me, children? Can anyone confirm?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, children. So, don't worry, children. This is root 41 and phi sin theta. Phi is 2. Opposite by hypotenuse 4 by root 41 minus 4 cos theta 5 by root 41 by phi sin theta 5 by root 41 opposite by hypotenuse plus 4 cos theta 4 by root 41. Okay, actually 5 by root 41. 5 minus 4, 5 plus 4. 5 4 is 20, 5 4 is 20. 20 by root 41 minus 20 by root 41. 20 by root 41 plus 20 by root 41. Okay, children, same thing minus same thing is 0. 0 by 0 is 0. 0. Okay, children. Next thing, this one, there is one more question, children. They said that sin theta is equal to 12 by 13. Find secant theta plus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta. Children, secant theta is 12 by 13, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, this will come how much, children? 5. If you apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, children, what is secant theta, children? Secant theta is hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay, tan theta is what, children? Opposite by adjacent. By secant theta is what, children? Hypotenuse by adjacent.
In by 5.
And by tan theta is opposite by adjacent, children. So 13 plus 12 is 25 by 5 minus 1 by 5.
1 by
5
5.
will cancel. Answer is 5.
25, sir.
Answer is 25. Yeah, answer is 25. 1 second. So answer is 25. Children, next question. How many two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7? how many two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7? What is the first two-digit number, children? First two-digit number 10. Last two-digit number, children? 99.
7 you should write now.
Yeah, that's two-digit numbers. How many two-digit numbers are there which are divisible by 7?
Okay.
Okay, so children, what is the first two-digit number which is divisible by 7?
14.
14,
After 14, 21.
21, 28,
28. Last one is 19.
90.
And last one 98. Yeah, 90. So 98 is which number? 98 is which number? An is equal to
Plus n minus 1 into d. 98 is equal to 14 plus n minus 1 into 7. 84 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. 84 by 7 is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 12. N is equal to 13.
13 two-digit numbers are there divisible by 7. 13 two-digit numbers are there divisible by 7. 13 two-digit numbers are there divisible by 7. Okay. So children, given that root 3 is a rational number, prove that 2 plus root 3 is a rational. 2 plus root 3 is a rational. Children, we have to write 2 plus root 3 is a by b. Bring this here.
So a by b minus 2.
Okay.
Root 3 is equal to 2a minus 2b.
Now we have to prove that root 3 is rational. Entire thing, the full procedure you do, children. After doing the full procedure, if root 3 is rational, 2 plus root 3 also is rational. Okay, because irrational plus rational is irrational. Irrational plus rational is irrational. Okay, next question. Try to understand, children. Don't just neglect the topic. Please try to understand. There is a circle. There is a tangent. Like this it is there. Like this is there. Like this it is there, children. So this is P. This is O. This is Q. And this is 50 degrees. This is R. This is the question. Okay. So find angle POQ. We have to find out this side. This side. we have to find.
Sir, can I say?
Yeah. First find
Sir,
this angle. How much?
Yes, sir, that is 40, sir, because tangent is perpendicular to radius.
So this is 40.
P and OQ are equal base angles.
This is 40. This is also
40 degrees.
why? Because base angles are equal.
Equal. By angle sum property, 40 plus angle O is equal to 180. Angle O is equal to 100 degrees. Therefore,
Angle O is equal to
OQ is equal to 100 degrees.
Is equal to 100 degrees. So actually the next 29 question. Please see the 29 question. So children, two numbers are in the ratio of 5:6. Two numbers are in the ratio of 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, if 8 is subtracted from each of the ratio becomes 4:5. Okay, find the numbers. Children, two numbers are in the ratio of 5:6. Means what, children? 5x, 6x.
X.
From 5x, 8 is subtracted. From 6x, 8 is subtracted. Then the ratio becomes 4:5.
4x by 5x or only 4:5, sir?
No, it's 4/2. Okay. Now tell me, children, cross multiplication.
25x minus 40 is equal to 24x minus 32. X is equal to 38.
5 into 8 is 40.
5 into 8, 40.
6x.
4 into
6x.
6 into 8, 48.
So two numbers are
40 and 48.
40 and 48. Two numbers are 40 and 48. Right. Okay, children. Next, two dice are thrown at the same time. Two dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two dice are thrown at the same time. Tell me probabilities, children.
1, 1,
1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Children, question is, what is the probability of getting different numbers? Different numbers means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6.
36 minus 6, 30.
Except this. Except this.
Rest all are different numbers. So
36 minus 6 is 30.
30
30
by
by 30. So how much, children? 6
10
5
by
is 6. 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Except these, all are dissimilar. These are duplets. Except this duplets, remaining all are different numbers. These are duplets. Except this, all are different numbers. So 36 minus 6. 36 minus 6. Okay. Yeah. Anyone?
Nothing, sir.
Yeah. Next one, 31 children. First question. What they are saying is that children, a group consists of 12 persons, of which are extremely patient. Among 12%, 3 are extremely patient. Patient is not patient, patient is there a lot of otica. And 6 are honest. 6 are honest. These are patient, these are honest, these are, and rest are extremely kind. Kind. These are patient, they have a lot of patience. They are honest, they are kind. Question. A person from a group is selected random, assuming that each person is likely to be selected. Find the probability of selecting a person who is extremely patient. Extremely
3 by
patient.
3 by
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Extremely kind or honest.
9 by 12.
9
3
by
by 4.
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Okay, children, that's it. Children. Don't worry about that. Over question. So next 31st children with means internal choice there. Next 31st question, children. Very soon you'll be getting your all model papers, children. I will be taking the Xerox and I will be giving you printouts, children. One day you come and collect, children, all of you. Very soon, in January first week, I will give you that. So C, A, B, D and E. So this is the triangle, children. In this, AD is equal to B, children. AD is equal to B, they gave, children. They gave AD is equal to B, children. AD is equal to B. And angle A is equal to angle B also the same, children. Angle A is equal to angle B also the same. Angle A is equal to angle B also the same. Oh, children, this is required to prove. I'm sorry, children. This is required to prove. They gave that angle A is equal to angle B. And also DE parallel to AB. Hope you are able to understand. Hope you did not understand. Again, C, A, B, D, E. We have to prove that these both are equal, children, and these both are parallel, and this side is equal to this side. Yes, children.
Here, as D is parallel to AB,
As
Yeah. PPT.
D is parallel to AB.
AB,
Apply
BPT,
corollary of BPT if I apply. It's good, no? No, Nira.
is
Corollary of BPT. Can anyone say corollary of BPT?
CD by AC.
AD by AC.
B by
AD by AC is equal
is equal
to
to B by BC.
B by BC. Children, once all of you listen, corollary we can write this by total, or this by total also we can write. No problem. Corollary. Okay, children, by corollary of BPT. But AC and BC are equal. Can anyone say why AC and BC are
Angles are equal, sides are also, base angles are equal, sides are also equal.
AC and BC are equal, so AC, BC cancel. So AD is equal to BE, hence proved. That's it. Next one, children. Children, they said that tan square A minus tan square B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B by cos square A cos square B. We should prove. From this, we should prove this thing. We have to prove that sin square A minus sin square B by cos square A cos square B. From this, we have to prove. What is tan square A, children?
Sin square
Sin square A by cos square A.
Minus
Sin square B by cos square B.
LCM.
LCM.
This gone. This into this.
Sin square A into cos square B minus sin square B minus cos square A.
Cos square. Children, I want only sines. So remove cos. I want only sine. So remove cos. How to remove cos?
1 plus sin
By cos square B we can write as
1 plus
1 minus sin square A B. Sin
cos
square
square A. What we can write?
1 minus
sin
cos
square A.
square.
Any one of you say. Children, don't say all together. Any one.
Sir, it is sin square B, right? Sin square A.
Sine square. Okay. So because in numerator side is there, remove sin cos. If only cos is there, remove sin, children. Your wish. Now this into this how much, children? Sin square A
Sin square A minus sin square A into sine square B minus sine square B plus sine square B into sine square A by cos square A into cos square B.
this is
Cancel.
wrong. So sine
Sine
square
square A minus sine square B by cos square A into cos square B. Hence,
we should go to the next 33rd question. Children, solve a quadratic equation using x for x using quadratic formula. 2x square plus ax minus a square is equal to 0. Use the quadratic formula he said, children. Use the quadratic formula. Okay, so this is the question, children. So here a is what, children?
2.
B is what, children? A.
A.
B is minus a square.
What is the quadratic formula, children? Minus b.
Plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus
minus
a or minus under root a square minus 4 into 2 into minus a square by 2 into 2 is 4.
2 into 2. So x is equal to minus a plus or minus under root of a square plus 8a square
A square
by
by
4.
minus a plus or minus 9a square by 4. 3a by 4.
2 times you have to do, children, once with plus. Minus a plus 3a by 4.
4.
Other one is minus a minus 3a by 4. This will be 2a by 4. That is a by 2. This is what, children?
Minus 4a by 4 minus a.
Minus a. So what are the answers, children? A by 2 or minus a. Using quadratic formula, he asked the children, so we used the quadratic formula. Okay, children, next 34th question. We see here, children, 34th question. Find the value of k. 3x square plus 2kx plus x minus k minus 5. Okay. Find the value of k such that sum of zeros is half of their product. Sum of the zeros is half of their product. Sum of the zeros is half of their product. Children, what is a here, children? What is a?
3.
B is equal to
Okay.
And c is what, children? X.
X minus K.
No. 1 second, children. Here, we have to rearrange this equation, children. See, 3x square plus, in this both x you take common, children. 2k plus 1 minus k minus 5. Now a is equal to 3. B is equal to 2k plus 1. If you don't rearrange, you will get answer wrong answer, children. And c is minus k minus 5. Minus k minus 1. This whole thing is c, which you don't have x is c. Now alpha plus beta is minus b by d. Alpha into beta is c by d. A cancel. What is b, children? Minus of 2k plus 1. What is c, children? C.
Minus K minus
Minus k minus 5. 2 bring here, children.
minus 4K
4k plus 2.
4.
Minus 2. Minus it plus minus 2 is equal to minus k minus 5. This goes here, this comes here, children. Minus 4k plus k is equal to minus 5 plus 2. How much is that, children? Minus 4k plus k
Minus 3k.
K is equal to
Minus 3.
minus 3 minus 3 cancel. K is equal to 1.
k is equal to 1. So you should be very careful, children, because you have to take x common and you have to get a perfect b, children. If you don't rearrange them, you'll every chance is there that something will go wrong, children. Be careful. 35th question, children. Not 35th, 34th only, but okay, next question. An observer 1.5 tall, children, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 20.5 meter away. 20.5 meter away from a tower of 22 meter. From a tower of 22 meter. From a tower of 22 meter. Determine the angle of elevation. From here, angle of elevation we watch. Okay, children. So if this is 20.5, this is also 20.5. And children, from 22 remove 1.5. How much, children? From 22, if you remove 1.5, this also will be 20.5. This angle we should find. So tan theta is equal to opposite by distance.
0.5 by 120.
Tan theta is equal to 1.
Tan theta is equal to tan 45, theta is equal to 40.
So the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Children, hope you are able to understand. Children, please be careful. Keep copying, children. Don't sit idle. Please keep copying. Okay, all this ones will be useful, children. After the class, once if you practice it, they will be very good, children. Yeah, that's all. A man standing on the deck of a ship which is 10 meters above, children. This is the water. Deck of a ship which is 10 meters above the lake. 10 meters above the lake. Observe the angle of elevation of top of hill as 60 degrees. There is a hill here. He observes angle of elevation as 60 degrees. Okay, children. An angle of depression of the base of the hill 30 degrees. Angle of depression of the base of the hill as 30 degrees. Question is, calculate the distance of the hill and height of the hill. This is 10. This is also 10. This is H. This is B. Okay, children, for the small triangle, anyone can say tan 30.
Tan 30 is equal to
10
by
by
B.
For this big triangle, tan 60, anyone, children?
H by
by
H by B. So, children, see here.
1 by root 3 is equal to 10 by B. B is okay. Root 3 is equal to H by B. B is equal to 10 root 3. Root 3
Okay,
Okay.
substitute here. Children.
H is equal to root
10
3
root 3 into 3.
root 3 30.
30 meters. H is 30 meters. Okay. So if this is 30, what is the total height of the hill, children? 30 plus 10, 40 meters is the height of the hill. Now, what is B, children? B is 10 root 3. Already we got. 10 root 3 means 10 into 1.73
17.32.
is the distance between hill and ship. Is the distance between hill and a boat or whatever is deck of the ship or whatever. Right. Like this, you are going to do, children, in the exam, and the questions. You have to be very, very careful, children, by the way, because all these are very easy questions. Only things you need practice, children. The sum of fifth and seventh terms of AP is 52. The sum of fifth and seventh term is 52. And tenth term is 46. Question is find the AP. Okay, A10 means what, children?
A plus 90.
Equal to 40.
46.
A5, children, A5.
A plus 4B
40
plus A plus 60 is equal to 52.
Very
2A
good.
plus 2A plus
2A
10D.
plus 10D is equal to 52.
2A
A
plus
plus
10D.
5D
A plus 5D
plus
is equal
5D
to
is equal to
26. So what is the happens, children? A plus 90 is equal to 46.
A plus 5D is equal to 26.
Minus cancel. 4D is equal to
28, D is
D
equal
is
to
equal to 5.
substitute in any one of the equations. A plus 5D is equal to 26.
A plus 5 into 5 is equal to
A plus 1.
26. A is equal to 1.
Okay, A is equal to 1. What is the progression? 1.
1,
1 plus 5.
6,
6 plus 5.
11,
11 plus 5. 16
16,
and so
so
on.
on.
Okay, children, like this. The last question. Last question in this. Okay. Last question is like this. Children, they are saying, children, find the mean and median. They said, children. 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 13, 3, 6, 9, 13, 18, 5, 4, 18, 5, 4. You have to find mean and the median. Okay, sure. Let's find first median. Let's complete up median. Let's complete up median. 3 means what, children? 3. 3 plus 6.
18
8,
20 49
2. Okay.
50. So, children, cumulative frequency is 58. Children. 3 plus 6, 9, 18, 31, 49, 4, 50. Okay, children, 58 is total, children. By 2 will be how much, children? 29.
Sir,
N
sir,
by,
how 58 total for commutative frequency, sir? For
this is frequency, this is cumulative frequency.
58, how total, sir?
54 plus 4 is 58.
After that, sir?
That is, this is 50.
Yes.
This is 50. I'm sorry, this is 50. 58 by 2 is 29. Okay, N by 2 of ICF is your median class. Okay, 29, will it come below this? No. Below 9? No.
No.
Below 18? No. Below 31? Yes.
Yes.
This is your median class. This is your CF. This is your F. Okay. L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So children, what is the lower limit, children? 17. N by 2 is what, children? 29. Minus
And
CF is what, children? 8.
18 by 13 into 2.
Class size is how much, children? 2. So median class is equal to 17 plus 29 minus 18 is how much, children? 9 into 2 by 13. Median is equal to 17 plus 18 by 13. 1.4, that is 18 point. This is median. This is only median. Now we have to find the mean also. They are asking mean. Let's find mean, children. Please help me in finding mean, children. So F we know. Tell me class mark, children. Tell me class mark. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. 11 plus 13 is 24. 24 by 2 is 12.
12,
13 plus 15 is 28. 28 by 2 is
14,
14.
16,
16,
18,
18,
18,
20,
20,
2,
22,
22,
24.
24. Now let's do FI children, FI. Okay, children. 3 into 12 is 36. 6 into 14 is 84. 6 into 19 is 144. 18 into 13 is how much, children? 18 into 13, anyone? 234. 234. 5 into 20, sorry. Am I correct? 18 into 20 is 360. 5 into 22 is 110. 4 into 24 is 96. Okay, children? So 6 plus 4, 10, 14, 18, and 24. 10, 16, 19, 23, 31, 34, 36. Okay, please see here, children. 4, 6, 9, 10. 1064. What is the formula for mean, children? Sigma
Sigma.
alpha xi by sigma alpha. That is 1064 by 58. How much, children? So 5s are 3s are 2s are 29s are. So children, 29 and 532, will they go, children?
18.3.
18.3, Anna. Thank you so much. 18.3 is mean. Okay, in the exam you have to do separately, children. Again, you have to draw a box and you have to do separately. Don't do like me, children. You will not get marks. Median you should do one time, mean also you should do one time. Since it is a 5 marks question, you should do entirely. Again, you have to draw the books and you have to do, children. Don't do it combined. So this is how mean and median you will calculate. Okay. We'll do last 10 questions and we'll stop, children. Okay. Please cooperate with me, children. We will do it very fast. Okay, so the next question. Just we will do one page. So the first question. Write the sum of exponents of prime factors in factorization of 250. Children, in prime factorization of 250, what we have? 2 125 the 5 to the 5 5 the 5 5 the 5 1. So what are the prime factors of 250, children? 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. But they are asking sum. 2 plus 5, 7, 12, 17 is the sum. 17 is the sum. This is first question. Okay. Second question. Second question, they are asking you to find 4 sine square 60 plus 3 tan square 30, 8 sine 45, cos 45. Sine 60 how much, children? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Tan 30 how much, children? 1 by root 3 whole square. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, cos 45.
1 by root.
Root 3 whole square is 3, 2
3
square
by
is
4.
4.
by 4 plus
3 by
3
3.
by 3.
minus
Minus
2.
8 by
So 3 plus 1 minus 4.
minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0.
4 minus 4, 0. Third question. Okay. Third question. What is the HCF of smallest prime number and smallest composite number? What is smallest prime number?
2.
What is the smallest composite number? Smallest composite number?
4.
4.
1 or 4?
Sir, 1 is neither prime nor composite.
Neither prime nor pro.
So smallest composite number. What is the HCF of this two?
2.
2.
2.
HCF is 2. And if P and Q are two consecutive natural numbers, P and Q are two consecutive natural numbers, what is their HCF? Two consecutive natural numbers, children, will have, what is the HCF?
1.
1, sir.
Okay, very good. Q
2
into 1.
equal to
So HCF is 1. Two consecutive natural numbers will have 1 as their HCF, children. Okay, next one. Next one, children. AX plus BY is equal to CX. LX plus MY is equal to N has unique solution. He's saying unique solution. What is the condition for unique solution?
A1
A1
by
by
A1 by 2
A
is
by L should
No.
not be equal to B by B.
B1 by B2.
So what is the condition?
A
AM should
A-
not be equal to B
by
by
to
L.
B.
BL.
That's all you should write. Fourth question. Fifth one, children. Fifth one. So A is equal to C here. 2n plus 13. B is equal to n plus 7. Find the HCF of A and B. Find the HCF of A and B. Children. Find the HCF of A and B. N is a natural number. Children. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. He's saying 1, 2, 3. Any one number you put and you have to carry it and do it. Any one natural number. Shall we put 1 or 2 or children? Your wish. Whatever you want, we can put. 1 I will put children. 2 ones are 2 plus 13, 15. N plus 1, 8. This is what is the prime factorization? 3, 5. 2 into
2 into 2.
What is the common between them, children?
1.
HCF, nothing. HCF is 1. Like that. Okay. Shall we get same HCF or not? We'll check with 2 also, children, anyway. Because first time I am also seeing like this question. Let's see, children. Let's substitute 2 and we'll see we'll get same answer or not.
2 into 2
4.
plus 13.
13. 17.
4.
9.
9.
9. Yes, sir, same answer.
We are getting same answer. HCF is 1. Like that, children. M is a natural number, he told you. Natural number means you can substitute 1. Don't substitute 0 because 0 is a whole number. Next one, children. Sixth question. The volume and surface area of sphere are equal. Volume and surface area of sphere are equal. What is the radius? Volume of sphere,
4 by 3 pi r
By 3
cube
pi
is equal to
surface area of sphere,
4 pi r
4
square.
pi
5 pi
4 pi, 4 pi.
and
R square
This
r square and r cube.
by 3. 1. R
R
is
equal
equal to 3 centimeters.
R is equal to 3 centimeters. Next. Okay, hope you are able to understand, children. Seventh question. No, sixth only, one more intervention is there. If the radius of sphere is doubled, how the volume will change? If the radius of the sphere is doubled, okay, children. V1 by V2 is equal to 4 by 3 pi R1 cube by 4 by 3 pi R2 cube. This called this one. V1 by V2 R1 cube. Radius is doubled.
2R.
2 R1 whole cube. So V1 by V2 is equal to R1 cube by
8
8
r1.
V1 by V2 is equal to 1 by 8. Is it increasing or decreasing?
Decrease.
Increasing. 1 became 8, increasing. How much percent?
8
Change in
7 by
by
1
original is 1.
into 100. 700%.
700% increase. 700% increase. Change by original into 100. Change by original into 100. Change by original into 100. Okay, children? So, I hope you are following, children. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time. Next one, children. Seventh question. Children, there is a figure like this. Children, I will complete off, children, in 5 minutes, please. All of you see here. Don't waste time, children. MN is parallel to AB. Children, these both are parallel. We only saying, children. BC is 7.5. AM is equal to 4. MC is equal to 2. Find DN. This is question. Okay, children.
Sir, 2 by 6 is equal.
If
BPT
this
will
is X, this is 7.5 minus 6. Okay, children. If this is X, this is 7.5 minus 6. As MN is parallel to AB, apply.
BPT.
BPT.
Children, apply BPT.
Sir, we'll apply corollary and directly do, sir, without 7.5.
Okay, no, like that also. You do 2 by 4.
Equal to X by 7.5.
2 by 6. 2 by 6 is equal to
X by 7.5.
X by 7.5. He's saying he wants to apply corollary. This by this by this.
15.
So 7.5 by 3 is how much, children? 2.5. What is that, children? 2.5. 7.5 by 3 is 2.5. The corollary you can apply directly, children. Next question, children. See here, there's a question like this. P, Q, R, A, B. Please concentrate, children. This is 2.4. This is 3.2. This is 4.8. This is 3.6. This is 2. This is X. Find the value of X. Children, 2.5 by 3.6. Please see here, children. 2.4 by 3.6. 3.2 by 4.3. Let's check. 12 twos are 12 threes are. Please check, children, all of you. Okay. 16 twos are 16 threes are. Both are 2 by 3, 2 by 3. As TA by AC is equal to TB by BR, AB is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. We prove that these both are parallel. Children, try to understand. P, very good some children for increasing knowledge. See, children, since these both are parallel, children, since they both are parallel, since AB is parallel to QR, AB is parallel to QR, PAB is similar to PQR. PAB is similar to PQR. PAB is similar to PQR. Why? This angle and this angle will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. Now CPST. This is how much, children? 2.4. This is how much, children? 2.4 plus 3.6. How much, children? 6. This is how much? 2. This is X. Now apply CPST. 2.4 by 6 is equal to 2 by X.
12 by 2.
So 0.4, this comes here, this comes here. X is equal to 2 by 0.4, 20 by 4, that is 5. Superb sum, children. Superb sum. Children, directly, some people, what they will do, they will think we can apply BPT here also. No, we can't apply, children. We can't apply. We can apply corollary if you want. This by this, this by this, this by this. Corollary you can apply. Direct BPT we should not apply. If you do 2.4 by 3.6 is equal to 2 by X, gone, children. Finish. Wrong. You can do corollary. 2.4 by total is 6 is equal to 2 by X. If do you want to find out this one, you have to apply corollary. For these both, you have to apply corollary only. Normal BPT you can't apply. Be careful. Don't forget, because again, I may discuss, I may not get chance to discuss this. You should never forget that. For this both, you cannot apply direct BPT, apply corollary. Never forget. Okay. Next question. What is the area of square that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 12 centimeters? What is the area of a square? What is the area of a square inscribed? What is the area of a square inscribed? This is a square, 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 square. This is the diagonal. This is 12, this is 12, this is A, this is A. Apply Pythagoras theorem because in square 90 degrees. A square plus A square is equal to
12.
24 square. 2A square is equal to 576. A square is equal to 576 by 2. A square is equal to 2, 2 8, 2 8. A square is only area. A square is only area. So what is the area? 288. Over. A square is only area, not children, for square, side square. Over, got it. So area of a square inscribed in the circle of 12 centimeters is 288, children. Try to understand, children. Okay. Next one. Last question for the day, children. Last question. A kite is flying. A kite is flying here. at the height of 40 root 3 meters. It is attached to a string making 60 degrees angle. What is the length of the string? What will apply, children?
Sin 60.
Sin
Sin
60 is equal to 40 root 3 by L. Opposite
3
by
by
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 is equals to 40 root 3 by L.
LB.
80 centimeters is the length of the string.
Very good. That's it, children. That's it for today. So remaining to discuss tomorrow morning, children. Tomorrow morning, just half an hour, you attend the class.